Okay, all of you stand up. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sit down, Pute. Sit down. Let's mark the register. Soniru. Thank you. Layani.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Sanumi.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Himansi. Himansi.
Teacher.
Present. Thank you. Himandi Hiranya.
Present, teacher.
Thank you.
Present,
Diansa.
teacher.
Thank you, Himandi. Diansa.
Present, teacher.
Diansa.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Minuti. Minuti. Tenuja. Pahandi. Ashandi. Himeshi. Udamsa. Udamsa present. Thank you. Evinya.
Present, teacher.
Okay, Evinya. Lisari. Present. Thank you. Dilita.
Piano. Pasandit. Pasandita.
Thank you, Dilita. Shanuti.
Pasandita.
Thank you. Chenukanetdula. Varangana. Gumudi.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Minuka. Chetuka Dananjaya. Okay, thank you. Tiseni.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Mehansa.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Janumi. Diniru Netyuga.
Present, teacher.
Thank you.
Teacher Janu here. Present, teacher.
Okay. Manuja. Damitu Sehat.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Yeheni Udamya.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Achira. Present. Thank you. Mutuli Nehansa.
Present teacher.
Thank you. Dinuga Sejan.
Present teacher.
Thank you. Chenuka Lasas.
Present teacher.
Thank you, Lasas. Minuti Sandulya. Tenuja.
Present teacher.
Thank you. Pahandi.
Present teacher.
Okay, Pahandi. Oshandi. Himeshi Tarunya. Varangana. Okay. Right. All of you take your file, Pute. Take your file.
Teacher.
Yes, Dinuga.
Teacher Gumudi.
Gomudi. Yes.
Today is my birthday.
Ane, happy birthday, Petio.
Thank you, teacher.
Ane, happy birthday. Okay, okay. Did you cut a cake?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, very good. Okay, so happy birthday to you.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, right. Maybe we can sing the happy birthday song, no? අපේ යාළුවට happy birthday song එක කියමුද? You all can turn on your microphone.
Okay, teacher.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, right. අපේ friend ගේ නම ගුමුදි. Okay, our friend is Gumudi. Right? All of you remember our friend's name is Gumudi. Okay? Gumudi. Right. Let's sing 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gumudi. Happy birthday. Right. Thank you. Sit down. Okay. Right. So now, Pute, all of you can show me your file. Show me capital V. Capital V first. V. Very good. Capital V. Shanuti, very good. Soniru, very good. Mutuli, very good. Kudamsa, very good. Evinya, very good. Diansa, very good. Layani, very good. Himandi, very good. Dinuga, very good. Sanumi, very good. Janumi, very good. Janumi, V, Pute, V. Diniru, very good. Lasas, very good. Right. Taniru, finish. Right, very good. Okay. Now take your homework. Take your homework, cut and paste. Shanuti, yes. Cut and paste pute kapala alawan එක කළාද ඔයා? Cut and paste. Damitu, very good. Homework, cut and paste. Kapala alawanna dunne Tiseni, very good. Very good. Diansa, very good. Pahandi, very good. Janumi, very good. Lisari, very good. Soniru, very good. Gumudi, very good. Yes, Lasas.
අපිට ඒක කරන්න බැරි වුණා.
Ha, pute, okay.
හෙට කරන්න.
Aha, okay. Right. Chandra, very good. Mutuli, very good. Dilita, very good. 3, 1. Right. Yes. Now let's see W. Let's see W. Diansa, very good. Lisari, very good. Tiseni, very good. Janumi, very good. Sanumi, very good. Diniru, very good. Shanuti, very good. Soniru, very good. W. Yeheni, very good. Dilita, very good. Christmas tree, very good. Evinya, very good. Pudamsa, very good. Diansa, Christmas tree, very good. Right. Gumudi, very good. Yes, you can show me the Christmas tree. Show me the Christmas tree, Pute. Janumi, very good. Tanumi. Putuli. Shanuti. Lisari. Dinuga, where is your Christmas tree, Pute? Lasas, very good, Pute. Very good. I can see that. Very good. Dilita, Christmas tree. Ah, yes, Dilita, very good. Christmas tree, very good. Tiseni, very good. Lisari, very good. Soniru, very good. Damitu, very good. Pudamsa, very good. Sayani, very good. Himandi, very good. Dilita, W, all very good. Right, thank you. Yeheni, very good, Pute, very good. Okay. Right, now we do one page from the file. Right, now we do one page from the file. I will show you what we are doing now. Take this page in the file. Take this page in the file. Here you have 2 activities to do. 2 activities. Right? Number 1, color pictures of T. Number 2, circle pictures of S. Right? So take your pencil. Take your pencil and put a small tick. Podi tick එකක්. Podi right mark එකක් දාන්න බලන්න. Podi tick එකක් දාන්න. T. Letter T එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න වචන වලට pencil එකෙන් podi right mark එකක් දාන්න බලන්න. Don't tell. යාළුවන්ට කියන්න එපා. Turn off your microphone. Don't tell. කියන්න එපා. Take your pencil and put a small tick. Small tick to the pictures. Start from T. T එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න රූපවල ළඟින් pencil එකෙන් පොඩි tick එකක් දාන්න. Don't tell. යාළුවන්ට කියන්න එපා. This is the page. Right? Put a tick. Put a tick in pencil to the pictures. Start with T. T එකෙන් start කරන pictures වලට tick එකක් දාන්න pencil එකෙන්. T. T words. T වචන. Put a small tick from your pencil. Pencil එකෙන් පොඩි tick එකක් දාන්න.
Finish, teacher.
Very good. Are you ready? Yes. Right. Okay. Now you can tell me. Very good. Now you can tell me what are the pictures? What are the pictures? Start from T. T එකෙන් start කරන pictures. Right. What are the pictures? Trend. Very good. Number 1, trend. Trend. Yes. What is this? Triangle. Very good. Triangle. What is this? Trouser. Very good. These are trousers. Yes. Trousers. Very good. What is this? Trophy. Trophy. Very good. Trophy. Right. Do you have any other pictures? තව pictures තියනවද T එකෙන්? No. Very good. No. Right. Very good. Let's practice reading. Practice reading. Reading practice pute. Very good. T.
Okay.
T. Triangle. Tree. Trousers. Coffee. Practice again. Practice again. T. Trend. T. Triangle. T. Trousers. T. Coffee. Right. Now color. Now color these 4 pictures. Color them. Only these 4 pictures, right? T වචන 4 විතරයි ඔයා color කරන්න. Color the T pictures. Color the T pictures. Only the T pictures. There are 4. Color the T pictures.
ගනි බෑවෙන් මෙන්න මේකේ බ්‍රවුන් එක අරන් දෙන්න මට. එහෙනම් දෙන්නේ කිනවද බ්‍රවුන්. පොඩ්ඩක් ලාග්‍රීන්ද මගේ ලාග්‍රීන් එක ගන්න ඉන්නේ මේක තියන්න මම
Diansa, finish coloring. Soniru, finish. Very good, Pute. Very good.
Pudamsa finish teacher.
Very good, Pudamsa. Lisari, very good.
Teacher Shanuti finish. Teacher Vinya Himandi finish.
Evina, Himandi, finish. Very good. Yehani, very good. Tenuja, very good.
Shanuti finish.
Shanuti, very good. Gumudi, very good. Sanumi, very good.
Himandi finish.
Very good, Himandi.
Teacher Aini finish.
Laini, very good.
Teacher Cheduga finish.
Ah, very good, Chetuka. Dinuga, very good. Dinuga, very good. Diniru, very good. Lasas, very good. Janumi, very good.
Finish.
Tisani, very good.
Teacher Mutuli color finish.
Very good, Mutuli. Lasas, Sati shapes tika penna na bari una. Very good, Lasas. Right, now let's go to the next question. Not next page, next question. Let's go to the next question. Circle. Circle pictures of S. Circle. What is the meaning? Circle. Circle. What is the meaning? Round karanna. Right? Circle means round karanna. Okay. Again, take a pencil. Don't circle. Round karanna pa. Take a pencil and put a tick for the S pictures. Tick එකක් දාන්න S pictures වලට.
ටික් එකක් දාගෙන ඉස්සෙල්ලා ටික්
Tick
එකක්
එකක්
කියන්නේ
දාලා
පිටා
ඉන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා.
ටික් එකක් දාන්න 7 7 කියන්නේ 7 7
සිත් එකක් දාලා
Don't show පුතේ, don't show. පෙන්වන්න එපා යාළුවන්ට තනියම කරන්න දෙන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලමු. Small tick. Put a small tick in pencil. Put a small tick in pencil for the S pictures. S pictures. Okay, Soniru.
Diniru finish.
Very good, Diniru.
Teacher lessons finish.
Very good. Right, now we can circle. Right, before that, circle karanna kaling. You can tell me. Very good. Before circle, you can tell me, mata kiyanna oya, what are the pictures? Start with S. What are the pictures?
One.
Seven. Sun. Sheep. Very good. Sheep. Is it only three? Shirt. Very good. Shirt. Shirt. This is a shirt. Right? Okay. Now let's practice. Practice reading. S. Seven. S. Sun. S. Ship. S. Shirt. Practice again. S.
S.
Ship.
Sheep.
S.
Sheep.
Shirt. Right. So now you can circle. Now you can circle the S pictures. Draw a beautiful circle. Lasana circle ekak andinna. Draw a beautiful circle. Very good, Sanumi. Very good.
Finished, teacher.
Very good.
Circle finish right.
The answer circle finish. Very good. Liony, very good. Lisari, very good. Shanuti, very good. Kumudi, very good. Udamsa, very good. Evinya, very good. Tiseni, very good. Dilita, very good. Soniru, very good. Lasas, very good. Pahandi, very good. Dinuga, very good. Diniru, very good. Mutuli, very good. Damitu, very good. The answer, very good. Right now, next page in the file. Next page in the file. This is for homework. Put a right mark in pencil. This is for homework. Put a right mark in pencil. What is your question? Homework question. Circle the correct simple letter. Circle the correct. Nivaradi simple letter eka circle karanna. Right? It's a very easy work. Godak lazy wadak. So here we have capital D. Here we have capital D. 1, 2, 3. What is simple D?
3.
Very good. Very good. 3. Very good. This is capital J. What is simple J? 1, 2 or 3? 2. Very good. Capital R. Where is simple R? 2. Very good. Capital M. Where is simple M? 1. Very good. 1. Capital Q. Number 2. Simple Q is number 2. Very good. Capital E. Number 3. Very good. Number 3. Capital T. 1. Very good. 1. Capital L.
2.
Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. So you have to circle the simple letter, right? Very good. File work finish for today. File work finish for today. Keep the file away. File work finish. Right now, let's go to the song. Take your song book. take your song book.
Teacher mama කියන්නේද?
Okay, Sanumi.
Scissor up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and the other foot down. Which is
This.
this is the way to London town.
Yes, very good. Right, so you have to practice the rhythm. Tale tamai chuttak practice wenna one. Okay, what is this song? Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? London town එක. London is in England. England වල එංගලන්තේ තියෙන London town එකට යන පාර අහනවා. Which is the way to London town? London town එකට යන පාර කොහෙද? One foot up. One foot එක කකුල එක පයක් උඩට යනකොට එක පයක් උඩට යනකොට the other foot down. අනිත් කකුල පහළ. One foot up. ඔයා ඔන්න foot එක කකුල උස්සන්න ඕනේ උඩට, right? One foot up and the other foot down. එක කකුලක් උඩ යනකොට අනිත් කකුල පහළ. This is the way to London town. London town එකට යන්නේ මෙන්න මේ පාරෙන්. අපි seesaw පදින පාරෙන්. Right? That is the meaning of the song. So let's see the rhythm. අපි තාලේ බලමු. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and the other foot down. This is the way to London town. Right? You can practice with me. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and the other foot down. This is the way to London town. Again, seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and the other foot down. This is the way to London town. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up. Or මට දැන් පෙන්වන්න බෑ, right? I can't show you. You have to take one foot up. ඔයා මෙහෙම කකුලක් උඩට ගන්න ඕනේ. Right? You can do that sitting or standing. ඉඳගෙන නැත්නම් නැගිටලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. One foot up. See, ඔයාගේ එක කකුලක් උඩට ගන්න ඕනේ. I can't show you that. One foot up and the other foot down. This is the way to London town. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and other foot down. This is the way to London town. Okay, one more time. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and other foot down. This is the way to London town. Right, very good. One foot up. Foot එක කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි සපත්තුව දාන කෑල්ල. Leg කියන්නේ කකුලේ උඩ කොටස, right? Legs දන්නවනේ legs. Legs කියන්නේ කකුලේ උඩ කොටස. Foot එක කියන්නේ ආ shoes දාන, සෙරෙප්පු දාන කොටසට. අපි socks මේස් දාලා shoe එක දාන කෑල්ල තමයි foot කියන්නේ, right? So one foot up. ඔය seesaw පදිනකොට එක කකුලක් උඩ යනවා. අනිත් එක පහළ. එහෙමනේ අපි වෙරගන්නේ, right? One foot up. එකක් උඩට, other foot down. අනිත් කකුල පහළට. foot එක කියන්නේ මුළු කකුලම නෙමෙයි. right? අපි කකුල් වලට කියන්නේ legs කියලානේ. foot එක කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ shoes දාන කෑල්ලට විතරයි, right? ඔයාගේ toenails, finger කකුලේ නියපොතු, ඇඟිලිත් එක්ක shoe එක දාන කෑල්ලට විතර. අපි shoes දාන්නේ නැහැනේ උඩටම. shoe එක දාන කෑල්ලට විතරයි foot කියලා කියන්නේ, right? F double O T. One foot up. එක කකුලක් උඩ යනවා and other foot down. අනිත් කකුල පහළ. Okay? Practice again. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and other foot down. This is the way to London town. Okay, now last round. Last round pre-practice. Seesaw up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and other foot down. This is the way to London town. Right, very good. Thank you. Sit down. Song එක ලස්සනට practice වෙන්න අපි දවසක පාඩම් බලමු. Right, sit down. Thank you. Do you want to drink some water? Before we start writing පටන් ගන්න කලින් water බීලා එන්න. Go and drink water. All of you go and drink water, පුතේ.
Teacher Kumuti ready.
Okay, very good. Very fast.
Himanti ready, teacher.
Very good, Himandi. Very good. You all are very fast. ඉක්මනටම දුවලා එනවා. Very good. Yehani ready. Very good. Putuli ready. Very good. Pudamsa ready. Very good. Himansi ready. Very good. Tayani ready. Very good. Riyansa ready. Very good. Chetuka ready. Okay. Very good. Dilita ready. Very good. Okay, Dilita. Very good. Shani ready. Very good. Very good, Janumi. Evinya ready. Very good. Dilita ready. Very good. Okay. Right, so let's start today writing alphabet writing practice book. Right, take your alphabet writing practice book. Let's read from A. Api reading වලින්ම පටන් ගමු. Let's start reading. Let's start reading. Put your finger to capital A. Point your finger, right? Point your finger. Don't look here and there. Put your finger to capital A. Point. And put it, turn off the microphone. So let's read. Put your finger to capital A. A. Apple. A. Aeroplane. Next page. B. Bat. B. Balloon. Next page. C. Cow. C. Cat. Next page. D. Doll. D. Dog. Next page. E. Eagle. E. Elephant. Next page. F. Fish. F. Fruits. Next page. G. Goat. G. Giraffe. Next page. H. Hat. H. Hen. Next page. I. Iron. I. Ice cream. Next page. J. Jug. J. Jam. Next page. K. Kettle. K. Kite. Next page. L. Lion. L. Lotus. Next page. M, monkey. M, mango. Next page. N, nest. N, net. Next page. O, orange. O, owl. Next page. P, parrot. P, pup. Next page. Q, queen. Q, quill. Next page. R, rabbit. R, robin. Next page. S, sheep. S, ship. Next page. T, TV. T, tiger. Next page. U, utensil. U, umbrella. Next page. V, van. V, was. Right? So today we have to write V for van and V for was. It's a very simple letter. Godakma lesi akurak. Let's see how to write in lines. Red line. Capital letters, we start from red line, right? Capital letters, so capital V.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, Pute, yes. Right, capital V and simple V. Next page. V for van, capital V.
Okay, teacher.
V for was, simple V. Simple V is in blue lines. It's a very simple letter. Godakma open karanne epa, not like this. Godakma hini karannat epa, no. Medium size. Medium, madhyama pramane. Right? Very good, Lasas. Okay, very good.
Teacher Punsai Barai.
Finish writing.
Finish writing. Teacher Shanoti finish.
Very good.
Teacher Cheduga finish.
Very good, Chetuka.
මෙන්න මේකෙත් මෙහෙම වෙන්න ඕනිනේ. ලස්සනට ලියන්නකො පුතේ කැදර ලියන්නේ දුව.
Shanuti finish. Very good.
Teacher Himandi finish.
Very good, Himandi.
Teacher Mehansa writing finish.
Very good, Mehansa. Very good, Yehani. Very good.
Capital B and simple V finished.
Capital and simple and finish.
Capital V and simple V finish. Very good, Devinya.
Teacher Sonina finish.
Soniru finish. Very good, Soniru. Diansa, we finished writing. You are writing W. We finished the put.
Teacher Himansi writing finish.
Okay, Himansi, very good. Niniru, very good. Okay, Diansa, very good. We finish. Very good.
Teacher Mehansa writing finish.
Very good, Mehansa. Simple.
Damitu writing finish.
Very good, Damitu. Varangana finish. Very good. Tiseni finish. Very good. Gumudi finish. Very good. Pahandi finish. Very good. Varangana finish. Very good. Simple V. Okay, Varangana, very good. Dinuga, capital V and simple V finish. Very good, Dinuga.
Teacher, Sanumi writing finish.
Very good, Sanumi.
Teacher, Sanumi finish writing.
Very good, Janumi. Right, now we can go to the next page today. What is in the next page?
W.
Yes, very good. W. Very good. What is the picture for capital W?
Bell.
Well. Yes, very good. The picture for capital W is well. W, well. Very good. What is the picture for simple W?
Bell. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes. Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I like watermelon. I like watermelon. Mang watermelon වලට කැමති, right? I like watermelon. Yes, very good. So, how to write W? It's very simple. Now you know how to write V. Then ඔයා V ලියන්න දන්නවා නම් W is very simple. It's red line and blue, again red line, blue line, again blue line, red line. මග නවතින්න බෑ, right? උඩටම යන්න ඕනේ. Again come down. Blue line එකටම එන්න පහළට. Come down. Again go up. Right? It's red line, blue line. මැද නවත්තන්න බෑ. This is wrong. Right? Red line, blue line, again red line. උඩටම යන්න. Again go to the blue line. පහළටම එන්න. Again go to the red line. Right? Simple W, next page. එකම මට්ටමට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. No. Simple W within blue lines. Blue line ඇතුලේ. This is not. එකම ප්‍රමාණයට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Capital W and simple W. They look the same. පෙනුම එකයි දෙන්නම. Himandi, finish writing W. Ah, yes, very good, very good.
Then sound off. Sound off. Not off.
Lisari W finish. Yes, capital W and simple. Very good, Lisari. Very good. Shanuti finished writing capital W and simple W. Very good, Shanuti.
Dinaru.
Diniru finished writing. Very good. Capital W and simple W.
Teacher Vinha capital W simple W finish.
Very good. Evinya, capital W and simple W finished. Diansa finished writing. Very good. Very good.
Those capital letter.
Yeah, class, right.
ठीक है यार Mama, this kind of looks like I had when I was in Mama, I wish I can have Mama, I wish Mama. So Mama, can you buy me a book? You have a lot of books. Capital W and simple W writing finish.
Very good, Mutuli. Very good.
Capital and simple one like that one. So I can practice. Dame to finish.
Damitus, very good. Finished. Simple W finished. Capital W finished. Very good.
Bukan bukan nanti. मैं को कराने अभी
फिनिश किया
ठीक है
Yes, Pute.
ये नहीं आते finish
Very good. Yehani writing finish. Very good.
ठीक है चलो मैं finish करती
Very good, Janami. Finish writing. Very good. Pahandi finish writing. Very good, Pahandi.
Teacher, Tisani writing finish.
Very good, Tisani. Very good.
Teacher, Himansi writing finish.
Very good, Himansi. And Gumudi writing finish. Very good. Diniru, what is that?
Sanumi writing finish.
Very good, Sanumi. Very good. Soniru, finish. Very good.
I see the moon at the goal. At the goal. කියන්න බෑම ඉතින් චීචර් නෑ ඕනේ බොයයි ඉතින් චීචර්
At the moon, see me. God bless
bless
the
the
moon.
moon.
At the God bless me.
Teacher, finish.
W.
Teacher, capital W, simple W, finish.
Very good, Lasas. Capital W and simple W finish. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right. Very good. Thank you, Lasas. දියන්සා ඔය හඳුන් කූරක්ද පත්තු කරගෙන ඉන්නේ මං මේ දුම දැකලා මොකක් කරනවද කියලා බල බල දැන් කලින් සැරේත් ඔය දුම තිබුණා. It's very dangerous. Okay, it's not plaything. ඕක නිමලා දාන්න පුතේ.
දැක්කා මම දැක්කේ නෑ බය වුණා.
Right, let's mark homework in the homework paper, homework book. අපි number 1 ඉඳලා read කරගෙන යමු homework page එකට. Take your homework book. Let's read and go to the homework page. Read කරගෙන යමු අපි. Right, put your finger to A, aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Microphone off, Pude. Microphone off. Right. Now let's start. A, aeroplane. A, apple. Next page. B, bird. B, butterfly. Next page. C, camel. C, car. Next page. D, dog. D, duck. Next page. E, eagle. E, elephant. Next page. F, fish. F, fan. Next page. G, grapes. G, got. Next page. H, hammer. H, horse. Next page. I, ice cream. I, iron. Next page. J, joker. J, jacket. Next page. K, key. K, kangaroo. Next page. L, leaf. L, lion. Next page. M, monkey. M, mango. Next page. N, nest. N, notebook. Next page. O, owl. O, orange. Next page. P, parrot. P, puppy. Next page. Q, quill. Q, queen. Next page. R, rat. R, rabbit. Next page. S, Santa. S, sun. Next page. T, truck. T, tiger. Next page. U, unicorn. U, umbrella. Right පුතේ U umbrella කියන තැනට වෙනකන් pencil mark දාගන්න homework වලට. Here U umbrella. Put right marks for homework. U umbrella. Okay, and this one I want to tell you. U unicorn. This is not a horse. Unicorn. Unicorn කියන්නේ ඇත්තම කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි, සුරංගනා කතාවල ඉන්න කෙනෙක්. Do you know about unicorn? Unicorn අහලා තියනවද ඔයා?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Cartoon බලනවනේ ඉතින් හොඳට දන්නවා unicorn.
Yes, cartoon වල දැකලා
Ah,
තියෙනවා.
very good, very good. Yes. Right. See, the unicorn has a horn here. Right? Unicorn has a horn here. Right? See, the normal horses, they don't have horns. Horse to මෙතන horn එකක් නැහැ. Horns. අන අංග කියලා කියනවා right අපි මෙතන අපේ horses ලට එහෙම horn එකක් නැහැ but the unicorn has a horn it's only one අපේ cow ට අපි දන්නවා two horns cow has two horns but unicorn has only one horn එක horn එකක් තමයි යාට තියෙන්නේ and they can fly right unicorn fly කරනකොට එයා යන පාරේ rainbow colors එනවයි කියලා කියනවා okay so you can color the unicorn beautifully right rainbow colors වලින් ඔයාලට unicorn color කරන්න පුළුවන් so for homework T truck T tiger U unicorn U umbrella right umbrella එකත් ලස්සනට colorfully color කරන්න පාට පාටින් color කරන්න right so that's all for today one more thing I want to tell you ළමයි එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නෙක් පොත් ගෙනත් දීලා නැහැ double rule book එකේ වැඩ දාන්න ඕනේ මං ඉසඩ් වෙනකම්ම වැඩ දාලා තියෙන්නේ ඔප books වල එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නේ තා පොත් ගෙනත් දෙන්න තියෙනවා පුළුවන් නම් කාට හරි පාස් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් double rule books එක හරි කමන්න ක්ලාස් එකට එවන්න තව පොත මම පොත් දෙකක් ගත්තා ඔයා ළඟ තියෙන පොතයි තව අලුත් පොතකුත් එකතු කරගත්තා අලුත් පොත මං ගාව තියාගෙන පරණ පොතේ තමයි වැඩ දාලා තියෙන්නේ ඉසඩ් වෙනකන් අකුරු ටික ඉවරුණාට පස්සේ අපි වචන පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒතර අලුත් පොතේ මම වචන දාලා දෙන්නේ. අනිත් පොතේ ඔයාගේ පරණ පොතේ ඉසඩ් වෙනකන් වැඩ දාලා තියෙන්නේ. දැම්ම ගන්නෙන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. පොත් ටික බාර දෙන්න බැරි වුණ ළමයි ඩබල් රූල් පොත් දෙක හරි ක්ලාස් එකට එවන්න. ඔයාගේ නම ලියලා පාස් එකක් තියෙන කවුරු හරි අතේ ගොඩාක් ළමයි එවල තියෙන එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නේ පොත් එවන්න තියෙනවා. රයිට්? ඒ මොකද අකුරු ගොඩක් තියෙනවා දාන්න. අර කලබලයට දාලා දෙන්න අමාරුයි. ඒ නිසා පුළුවන් නම් ක්ලාස් එකට එවන්න පොත් එවන්න බැරි වුණ ළමයි right? ගොඩක් ළමයි එවලා තියෙනවා. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the online class. ගොඩක් ළමයි ගොඩාක් උනන්දුවෙන් ක්ලාස් එකේ වැඩ කරනවා. Very good. Yes. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye. Welcome, welcome, bye.
Thank you, welcome. Bye.